Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a super quick, super easy, delicious, hope you're ready for it, grape jelly frosting. I'll go ahead and throw a link to the recipe down below. It'll be right underneath that KitchenAid Stand Mixer giveaway. But yeah, it's going to be very quick, very easy. So let's go ahead, grab our mixing bowl, and to that we're going to start by adding in our butter, our powdered sugar, and our grape jelly. If you're not a fan of grape jelly, you can go ahead and use any of your favorite jelly or jams, be it strawberry, cherry, blueberry, peach, all the jams, all the jellies just have like a frosting bonanza. Why not? They're gonna be oh so good. Now with our hand mixer on a very low speed, we're gonna slowly incorporate all these ingredients together until we have a nice, smooth, almost buttercream fluffy texture, and all of our ingredients are just blended nicely together. And if you'd like more of a stiffer, type of frosting, almost like a buttercream, kind of holds its shape, you can always go ahead and add a little bit of vegetable shortening. And just continue on that nice low speed until everything is fully incorporated. And again, you have that nice, smooth, delicious frosting texture and just yumminess all around. Really, it's so good. Now to stay true to theme, we're gonna go ahead and add in about a drop or two of purple food gel coloring to really pop with that nice grape color. And then one last time back in with our hand mixer and work in that food gel coloring until we have that rich, deep, grape purple color. And just like that, you will have delicious, easy, super quick grape jelly buttercream or frosting, depending if you use the vegetable shortening or not. And it's limitless. I mean, again, if you don't like grapes, or if you do like grape jelly, but you want to try a different kind of jelly for whatever peanut butter inspired desserts you have, you can use strawberry, cherry, mango, peach. I gotta get all these because all of them are so delicious and I want to try them now even more. I've got so many ideas. I'm gonna write these down real quick. Just 1 second. Well, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like today's recipe, or if you like today's quick, easy video, how to. Why not, right? Helps me out, lets me know that I'm sharing recipes and giving you guys little how-to tutorials that you all want to see. And while you're down there giving this video a good thumbs up, be sure to click that KitchenAid Stand Mixer giveaway link. It's going to be right underneath the subscribe button, so you should probably click that too. This way you don't miss out on any yummy future recipes and some yummy, tasty peanut butter recipes we have coming up that will go great with this jelly frosting. So click that, ring the bell, don't want to miss out on them. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to wrap this up, save it, try to think of maybe some yummy peanut butter recipes we can work on and use this delicious grape jelly frosting. But yeah, I'm going to grab coffee and go hang out with my little pup, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.